When you search for motorcycle dash cams, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam caught my attention with its impressive features and affordable price of $129.99. If you want a reliable dash cam that captures high-quality footage from both front and rear, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The dual-channel recording captures footage at 4K from the front and 1080p from the rear. This means you can zoom in and identify crucial details, like license plates, in the event of an incident. With a 150 degrees ultra-wide angle for the front and 140 degrees for the rear, you're covered on all sides. Plus, the Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures clear recordings even in low-light conditions, so you won't miss anything during nighttime rides. It's got a 4.5-star rating from over 12,900 reviews, proving it's a trusted choice. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit complicated. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the peace of mind it provides is totally worth the initial hassle. If you're not tech savvy, it might take a little extra time, but the features will impress you. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich camera that excels in low light. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler without dual cameras. It's a solid value for the price, especially considering it comes with a free 128GB card. Now, if the installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Sisto Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dash Cam. Next up is the Sisto Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dash Cam, priced at $89.99. This one stood out to me because of its user-friendly features and good night vision. If you want a straightforward camera that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is a great option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual 1080p cameras provide decent video quality even in low light, thanks to the Starlight night vision. The 130 degrees wide-angle lens ensures you capture a good portion of the road ahead and behind you. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily view and download footage to your smartphone without needing to remove the memory card. That convenience is a big plus for busy riders. It's rated 4.1 stars with nearly 700 reviews, showing it's popular among users. However, some users mentioned that the video quality isn't as sharp as they expected in full daylight. I'll be real with you. While it's not the best in bright environments, it still provides adequate coverage for most situations, especially for its price point. This one is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option with decent night vision. Skip this if you're looking for top-tier video quality, as it may not meet those expectations. You get good value for your money, especially for casual riders. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who don't mind investing a bit more. Product number 3. Vantru F1 Motorcycle 4K Dash Cam. Let's talk about the Vantru F1 Motorcycle 4K Dash Cam, which comes at $359.99. This one is a bit pricier, but it offers some exceptional features. If you're serious about recording every detail on your rides, this is definitely worth considering. Here's the thing. With 4K front and 1080p rear recording, you get incredibly clear footage that captures every detail, ideal for identifying mishaps or incidents. The IP67 waterproof rating means you can ride through rain or shine without worry. Plus, it features GPS to track your speed and route, and the G-sensor locks critical footage in case of an accident, ensuring you have evidence when you need it most. With a rating of 4.3 stars from over 200 reviews, it's clear that people love this product. Some users have pointed out the price as a downside, claiming it might be too steep for casual riders. But here's the thing. If safety and high-quality recording are your priorities, this camera's features justify the investment. This is perfect for you if you want high-end video quality and robust features for safety. Skip this one if you're just looking for a basic camera. It's definitely an investment. You get what you pay for with this one. Now, if the price is a concern for you, the next product offers a unique twist on motorcycle dash cams. Product number 4, 8.1-inch 4K motorcycle CarPlay screen. Next up is the 8.1-inch 4K motorcycle CarPlay screen, priced at $129.99. This is not just a dash cam. It's a full multimedia system for your bike. If you want to combine navigation and recording, this is a great pick. Here's why this matters for you. The 4K front and 1080p rear dash cam functionality means you can record your rides while also having access to your smartphone apps via CarPlay. You can listen to music, get directions, and even make calls, all hands-free. The large 8.1-inch display makes everything easy to navigate, which is a big deal when you're on the road. Plus, with an IPX7 waterproof rating, you don't have to worry about the weather ruining your ride. It has a solid 4.0 star rating with over 170 reviews. However, some users mentioned that the screen can be a bit difficult to see in direct sunlight. Honestly, I found this a bit frustrating too, but if you can position it right, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for most riders. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-functional device that combines a dash cam with navigation. Skip this if you're just looking for a basic recording device without the extra features. It's a fair deal considering the technology it packs. Now, if you're intrigued by the multimedia features, the last product on my list offers another interesting option. Product number 5, 7-inch motorcycle CarPlay screen. Finally, we have the 7-inch motorcycle CarPlay screen, retailing at $115.99. This device offers a good balance of features at a lower price point. If you want a combination of navigation and recording, but prefer something compact, this could be your go-to. Here's why this product stands out. With dual 2K cameras, it records your journeys in high quality while allowing you to connect your smartphone for easy navigation and entertainment. The 7-inch touchscreen is intuitive and user-friendly, and the IP67 waterproof rating means it can withstand tough weather. With a rating of 4.0 stars from over 170 reviews, it's a solid choice for many riders. Some users have noted that the setup can be a bit tricky, especially for those not tech-savvy. Here's the thing though, once you get through the installation, the functionality is worth the effort. It's a great option for those who enjoy tech on their rides. This is perfect for you if you want a compact device that offers both recording and media features. Skip this if you're after something with a larger display. You get good value for the features included. That wraps up our list of the top motorcycle dash cams. Each product offers unique benefits tailored to different needs and budgets. We covered quite a range today, from the budget-friendly Sisto to the feature-rich Vantrue F1. The Rove R2-4K is a fantastic all-around choice, while the Jelka's options blend navigation with recording. No matter your needs, there's a dash cam here that can help enhance your riding experience and keep you safe.